generator by HowEasy, along with extra features that are on the side and the light. And it has a battery indicator on the side. It has 3 options to charge. You can either use the wall charger, also charge with the car charger. This is the connector that goes into the car. If you find this video resonates with you, please like, comment, subscribe, or follow. You also have the option to use solar panel. So I have a compatible solar panel, connects to it, and it recharges. As you can see, it's charging right now. And conveniently, it comes with a nifty little handle so you can carry it with you. The plastic is shock resistant. So if you were ever to drop this, it's supposed to handle the impact. And it's a pretty sturdy plastic. The handle feels pretty sturdy too, it doesn't feel cheap. The thing is actually a little bit heavy, like not too heavy, maybe like a couple pounds. So here you got 2 outlets, one with the ground and one with the regular outlet with no ground. You have the Type-C connector for cell phones, certain type of cell phones, like for Androids and other electronics. You have a DC-1 and a DC-2 connector for electronics. You have 2 3.0 USB connectors, along with a regular USB connector. That's the flashlight button. And then here's the DC for DC output. And this is for AC output. And when you turn on the AC output, the little internal fan turns on. It has an internal fan to keep it cool. Plates, inflatables for the lake and the pool, and also air mattresses really quickly. So this solar generator, it doesn't have a built-in solar panel. Another thing that you can do is you can carry this in your suitcase while you're going on your trips. So if you plan on going to camp out in the mountains and you have to fly there, you could actually put this in your suitcase and not have to worry. I'd like to point out that if you have a device that will not fit this connection right here with the solar generator, you do have the option to buy a multi-connector adapter kit that actually will fit. So it comes in different size adapters and it can fit into this hole here. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.